Fantastic. Well, if it's been in the dry, it might not be too horrendous, but they'd rust in the dealership, so it could be. Oh, that's a proper barny shed find. Would you call that a shed or a barn?
I think it was one stage, probably a pony.
Yeah, I suppose it would have been.
For the pony that lived in the field.
Oh, there it is. My God.
Bless it.
Good grief, what do you reckon, Harry? Yeah, look at that. I suppose they wouldn't have seen it, would they? Oh, scared of spiders. Oh, Jesus, that's full of spiders. Is that going to stay up? Is the stay uppy thing there?
I don't know.
Good grief. Does a video. There it is. Oh, my God. Harry, you're going to have to get your tail in here, mate. Oh, I hate cobwebs. There's a bath underneath it or something.
Oh, God, is there?
Yeah, look, I think it's sat on that.
Oh, okay.
Bizarre, isn't it? Oh! There's the floor.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Right, Harry, there it is. So now, I didn't bring a spare wheel. It has a wheel missing. Be a bit closer there. We'll get them out one way or another. My worry is it's going to snap in half when I try and pull it out. We'll have a go.
Now.
Yeah. Right then, let's see what happens. I think the front end's coming, the back end's staying where it is. That's good. This one isn't. Oh no, this one is now. Brilliant, look at that. 1993 is the last time it saw the light of day. Might try steering it. Got a bit of a free floating front end on it. We alright on the ramp your side?
Yeah, you're just getting on the edge.
I'll turn it a bit more. Oh, spiders. Oh, I hate spiders.
Literally, your wheel is just going on that side of it.
Alright.
Now you're going more.
I'm going the wrong way, aren't I?
Come this way.
About there.
Yeah. Yeah, you should have the time.
I'm right on this side.
Your back wheel.
Okay.
You're just going to miss with this back one.
Ah! Jesus, I hate spiders. See how rusty it is. Oh, bit of a ground out somewhere. We did it, Bo. It's in.
Cool.